to Saf's Glam Beauty. Guys, I am here for some fun activities today, okay? We will be making some bath bomb, yay! Guys, I am so happy to be doing this on camera because I've been enjoying myself making these bath bombs. So I was like, it's about time to bring this to my YouTube channel. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and want to see more because like I said, my channel is a brand new channel. I'm gonna explore everything that I possibly can, okay? So if you want to see how I make my bath bomb, please keep on watching. Now guys, I have several ingredients over here. In this video, I'm gonna be leaving my recipe down in the description bar. So if you are interested and want to recreate, please feel free to head on there, okay? Now, oh, excuse me, let me wear my gloves. I want to do a nip slip over here, or nip slip. But anyways, don't mind me and my craziness, okay? Guys, I'm gonna start off. Where is my notes? Okay, I'm gonna be measuring out the baking soda. And my next ingredient will be some citric acid. Let's sift this very well. Can you see? Yeah, that's what I love about these bowls. Okay, let's mix. Smell, man. So these are my wet ingredients. In here I have some jojoba oil. I have some polysorbate 80, some Coco glucoside, and last but not least, I have my favorite fragrance oil, okay? So yes, that's what's in here. I'm just gonna mix it up like so. It's really, really thick. And for the Coco glucoside, it helps with, it's a foaming agent, it's a surfactant. It's a foaming agent. And the polysorbate 80 is also a surfactant as well. So yeah. So these are my wet ingredients. I'm going to be splitting this into two because I want two colors. Let's get to the fun part, okay? I'm gonna be using this beautiful yellow, my orange, I did equal parts, and then I'm gonna be using this hot pink. I want this bath bomb to be pretty hot, like that. I'm gonna put this away for a little bit, and I'm gonna mix this one like so. I'm gonna mix my liquid portion very well. It's really, really thick. And I'm gonna slowly incorporate it. okay? So let's start. I have to eyeball these measurements now because I can split this into two. So, yeah. Slowly add your liquid phase to this, okay? Okay. Guys, you have no idea. Okay. All right. Let's bring this on board. Beautiful color, guys. Ah, the pink, I'm not surprised, but it's orange and yellow that I mixed. It's a real killer. Okay. Okay. I'm adding the rest of my wet ingredients over here. Okay. Just gonna use my hand. Our bath bomb is properly mixed, as you can see, like that. See, it's properly mixed. So now it's time to bubble them up, okay? That's how I will put it. I'm thinking about adding some salt to this. I don't know if it will stick because I don't want to I'm just gonna try it, okay guys? All right, these are my molds that I'm using. I don't know the size of this mold, I will check it out, but these are my molds, okay? So I'm gonna be taking 2 of my molds, like so. I'm gonna put, okay. So I want to put some salt. So I believe I'm going to be putting a little bit of salt in here. Hopefully it stays, okay? Hopefully it stays. Okay, so I'm just going to be going like so. Like that. I'm going to put a little bit of pink in here first. And I'm gonna add some more orange. Guys, pray for me, okay? Because I'm supposed to make sure of what I'm doing, okay? I mostly want this to be pink, but I think I'll have less pink. Okay, let me just do this. Okay. It's the moment of truth now. Look here. It's time to squeeze them up together, okay? Let's go. Go like so. Uh-oh, I think I messed up. It wasn't that full. It's not full at all. It's not full at all. Guys, what did I do? All right, but let me just try it, okay? If it doesn't work, that's it. Oh, guys, it looks good. Oh my God, but I'm afraid. Okay, so I'm putting this back like that. All right, let me go right here and try to release the bottom Okay, they look good for the most part. So I'm just gonna be using this as a holder mold, like that, okay? Guys, look here, jeez. Okay guys, this is how it's looking, okay? It looks beautiful to me. So I'm just gonna be setting it down right there, like so. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, guys, our hair, when you knock it, it'll come out easily. So this is my first time using this mold. I really never used a mold like this. Let me show you my mold that I was using. This was my mold. I've been using this for a little bit. So yeah. Ooh, guys. Okay. Oh my God. Can you see how beautiful this is? So I'm gonna be keeping it in here, okay? Okay, let's see what we can do. Can we make another one? Okay. All right, this one doesn't have any salt on it, but I love it. It looks good. It looks really, really good. So I believe I'm gonna get a sample bar from in here. I have a tiny bit in here. I just want to see what's gonna happen. I want to see the reaction. I can't wait. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, you guys, look here. I'm adding the rest of the water there. Let's take a look at what I just did, okay? Very cute and beautiful. Look here. How cute is this? How cute? Guys, I just wanted to add a little bit of touch to this because it was so plain. Why the other ones looks so good, but this one wasn't serving, it wasn't giving. Okay, so I decided to put my little touch on this one. So here it is. So guys, tell me in the comments bar if you want me to do another bath bomb video because I enjoy doing it. Literally, I make bath bomb every night on the low. I'm just telling you, nobody knows. I make bath bomb literally every night. Don't know why, but I'm obsessed with making it for some reason. So if you want to see more bath bomb video like this, tell me in the comments bar if you want to see more. Okay? Now, I'm gonna leave this bath bomb for 24 hours to harden up. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna do anything with it until 24 hours. So this video might be up before the 24 hours. I don't know yet. So yeah. But that's all I have for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. God bless you and your family. And until next time, Bye-bye.